Anna Delvey, from scammer to fitness diva. Have you heard of Anna Delvey? Yes, the socialite who fooled all of New York. But now her story is completely different. Anna went through an incredible transformation, losing nearly 40 pounds and looking like a new person. What changed? It all started with one decision: to truly take care of herself, to rebuild her body, mind, and habits, even after all the scandals. Every meal, every workout, every step was designed to transform her energy and her health, and the difference is clear. The problem most people face is consistency, the temptation of shortcuts and miracle fixes. But Anna shows that small daily changes can create real, lasting results. She didn't just change her looks, she built an entire self-care routine. PRP facials, cryotherapy, red light sessions, microcurrents, all to revitalize her skin and body. On top of that, daily walks, balanced meals, and even joining Dancing with the Stars to boost her energy, discipline, and motivation. The secret? Consistency. Small daily habits that stack up into incredible results. And here's the truth: transforming your body doesn't need to feel like punishment. It can be structured, enjoyable, and sustainable. And it's not just about looks. Anna understood that sleep, exercise, and the right food are essential. Research shows poor sleep increases hunger and slows metabolism. That's why her routine includes high-quality sleep and habits that balance both body and mind. To maximize results, there's SleepLEAN, a 100% natural supplement made in certified facilities, designed to improve sleep quality, regulate appetite hormones, and boost fat burning while you rest. And remember, SleepLEAN is not a drug. It's a natural supplement that complements healthy habits. The official link is right here in the description. Her diet is simple and sustainable. Balanced, colorful meals with lean protein, fresh vegetables, and low-glycemic carbs. Breakfast packed with nutrition, smart snacks, light soups for lunch and dinner, always combining flavor and balance. People who follow this style report less bloating, more energy, better mood, and the drive to keep going. The key is consistency. Repeating small, right choices every day creates lasting change without extreme diets or dangerous shortcuts. Anna also proves that movement matters. Walks, light training, stretching, even dance competitions. It all adds up. Those who apply this see natural fat burning, higher energy, and that heavy, sluggish feeling disappear. Studies confirm that combining balanced eating with daily movement is far more effective for long-term weight loss than extreme restrictive diets. And let's not forget the mental side. Transforming your body builds confidence, self-esteem, and motivation to keep going. Anna's story inspires because it shows that even someone who started down the wrong path can turn it around with discipline and commitment. The change isn't magic, it's consistency. Daily habits and natural support tools like SleepLEAN help amplify that feeling of control and wellness. Now let me ask you, are you going to stick to the old routine or take the first step to transform your body, energy, and health, learning from real examples like this one? If your answer is yes, hit the like button, subscribe, turn on the bell, and comment "new version" to show that you're on this mission with us. Share this video with someone who needs the inspiration to change their habits. It might be exactly the push they need. To make the most of it, combine balanced eating, daily movement, and, if you'd like, add SleepLEAN before bed to boost sleep and metabolism. It's 100% natural, made in certified facilities, comes with a 90-day money-back guarantee, and the official link is right here in the description. But remember, what truly transforms you is consistency in your daily routine. And what's next? Don't miss the next video, where we'll show you practical strategies to accelerate results the healthy way. Breakfast ideas that boost metabolism and keep your energy high all day long. Here you'll find real, applicable, and inspiring content that transforms health and body from the inside out. Share this video with someone who wants to feel lighter, stronger, and more confident. Bye.